In today's video, we are blowing up the New York Knicks after they lost against the Pacers. So OKC wins the finals, LeBron retires, and let's just see what draft pick we have. We don't have a draft pick, we gave it to the Nets. I'm gonna skip the draft, just go into free agency. At the start of next season, I'm gonna trade away mostly everybody. So I'm gonna try to sign who I can here. I'm gonna sign Kyrie because if I get rid of Brunson, we're gonna need a point guard. I'm gonna try to get Randall too, and those three are the only two I'm gonna do, and Turner. And we get Kyrie. I think Kyrie's the only guy I'm gonna do. I'm happy with that signing. The day of me recording this is the day of the first game of the NBA Finals. Alright, so we're gonna first start with trying to trade package Bridges, Robertson, and an unprotected pick. We are gonna do Derwin and Ivy for Robinson and Bridges. Next, we're gonna do Anunoby, Hart, McBride. I'm gonna do the Portland trade, and I'm just gonna see if I get anything for Brunson and Terrence. Oh, I gotta do them separately. Let me see what people will give me for Brunson. They're not that good. Before I do anything else, let me see a team's intel. I do think RJ Balin might be a good option to have. I'm putting him here. And we're just gonna see who we get for Towns and make a pick or two. I might do the Halliburton trade. I'm gonna trade Towns for Tyrese Halliburton and Obi Toppin. So now we have three. So we're gonna put Halliburton in the shooting guard. Now we're gonna see what we can get for Brunson. But I also need now small forward, and that's it. So before I do that, I'm gonna put Obi Toppin as small forward just to have somebody there for now. I'm gonna do the Randall and Dillinger trade. So our rosters now Kyrie, Halliburton, Toppin, Danny, and then Dylan. And then Randall coming off the bench with IB, Dillinger, and Aiton. You're also going to change the scheme fit to get shooters open. I see you guys at the trade deadline. At the trade line 38-13 for the first seed. I don't think I'm going to do any trade, but I want to see who had to extend. Randall averaging 23 a game, Kyrie 22, and Halliburton 21. And if I don't have to extend anybody's contract, I'm just gonna go to the end of the season. Alright, and I'm gonna go to the end of the season. See you guys there. At the end of the season, and we had no one on our first All-NBA team. We are the 2nd seed, and Randall led the way in points. We are playing Toronto first round, and their best player is Scotty Barnes. I think we have this matchup. And we win in 5. And now we're playing Towns and Siakam. 2nd round, and they beat Boston in 7. Take 1, they take 2, we take 3, we take 4, they take 5, we take 6. So we play Detroit, who has the same team, but they have Bridges and Robinson. If we win this year, I'm going to do another season because I didn't expect us to win. Series tied. They take a 3-2 lead. If it gets close, I'm going to go in the game. Looks like they're pulling away. I think I'm coming back from it. And we were eliminated. It's okay. We'll be probably back in the same spot next year. As True Holiday, Curry, Paul George retire. I'm gonna see if we have a pick this year. And we have the 27th pick. I'm just gonna go to a draft and see who wants this pick. Oh, I can't trade it. I'm gonna choose it. We're gonna get Oster Allen. And we're gonna accept Robin Dillingham's option, and that's really it. Ivy, we got and Dillon. We're gonna worry about them two first before we go out for anybody. And now we're gonna see who we can sign. I think I'm gonna try to go for Kevin Durant. And we got Kevin Durant, Ivy, and Dillon. I think we also need bigs. I'm gonna try Holmgren. And we don't get Holmgren. Maybe Jackson. If he doesn't work, I'm just gonna leave it. And we don't get him. Alright. We gotta re-sign Kevin Durant. We gotta cut somebody, trade somebody. And I think we would trade Toppin just to, and that's see who we get for him. Just take this trade. Now we'll see if we have enough. You don't have enough. Might have to get rid of somebody. I'm gonna see what's for Randall, because he's also the oldest on the team. I'm gonna do this trade. Now, do we have enough? and we don't get Kevin Durant. Maybe we get Rudy. And we don't get Rudy. Wait. And we do get Rudy. Alright. That was a failed off season. But at least we get a center. Now we could put Dylan as the power forward. And I like my team. So we're just gonna change that fast. We're gonna also move Hashimura to small forward. And then him to... Alright, so I like this team. I see you guys at the trade deadline. Trade deadline, we are 26-20 at the 6th seed. Halliburton's leading us with 24, Kyrie 21. I'm gonna see who needs a contract extension. And I'm gonna change the scheme to, we're gonna play to store. See you guys at the end of the season. The year Luka wins MVP on the Miami Heat. And we are the 3rd seed playing Chicago. So Chicago has really the same roster as real life. I think we should be good. I'm just gonna go game by game though. They take game 1, we take game 2. They take 3. We take 4. We take 5. And we beat them in 6. Play Boston. And they have Tatum, Brandon, White still. They take 1. We take 2. They take 3 and 4. So we're gonna guess. And it looks like we're pulling away. Yeah, we're forcing game 5. Oh, no, forcing game 6, my bad. And I'm gonna hop in. Oh. Makes 03. I never use Halliburton, so I won't really attempt 3-pointers with him. I'm used to Kyrie and Ivy. Ah. If I don't really talk, I'm trying to focus. Down by 20. 7 minutes. It's not bad. I'm a 7 minute. If it gets closer, I put Kylie back in. Down by 16. Sorry about that, that's my controller. Oh. I am gonna put Kylie back in. I did do that on purpose. Even though he probably would make both of them. I don't want to waste the time out just to call Kylie back in. It was wide open. That was a nice block. Oh my god. That hit Kyrie's back. And he was smiling too. Did I hit him off my hand? Uh-oh. Wow, he missed that. Down by 7. Wait, no. Down by 6. 2:45. Stadium pools. Down by 4. No, Irving. Wow. No. Ah, Kylie. They missed the first one. Need them to miss this one. Just used our last time out. Need them to miss one. I need him to miss one. He missed it. I just tie game. Thanks to Ivy. We're gonna put defense. We have to play defense because we need to not let up here. Thank God. So overtime with no Kylie. This was only game 6. Halliburton misses the shot. If you guys are wondering, I'm not on rookie, semi, or pro level. I'm on all-star. Up 8 with 140 left. I want to wait at the clock, but if they're pressing me, I'm not wasting the clock. I'm sprinting. Left him open. Oh, I'm trying to hit 170. Oh, we take game 6, force it game 7. These videos take forever when I play, so I'm just gonna sim the game. If we lose, we lose. And we win. And we'll be playing Lucas Heat. They take 1, we take 2, they take 3, and 4. Just back and forth. We're hopping in. We tied it with the tied it. I want to waste the clock. I know there's a minute 30, but what can happen? Oh, that's my bad. And Halliburton skipping away. We'll skip Halliburton 40. And we can do it by shooting free throws. Up by 4. 29 seconds left to go. Who you guys think wins the finals? Pacers or OKC? Leave a comment down below who you think. And 25 seconds worth to go, up by 4. Game 5. And I think that's really game if I make both of them. So the whole team went at me. I don't know why they fouled. I'm gonna miss both of them on purpose, because then the clock would just run out. We went in game 5. Where do you guys think Giannis would go this year? Or would he stay with the Bucks? And we take game 6. We're going to game 7. And we take game 7. Halliburton is Finals MVP. Or Eastern Conference Final MVP. Play OKC. They take 1, 2. We take 3. They take 4. Passing this. Again. Down by 7, 2:20 to go. This should have been the finals in real life. think Jaden Ivey fouled out. Should have did a step back. I don't know why we're fouling. If they wasted the clock, we have 2 timeouts. Missed one. I tied the game. I gotta go Halliburton here. Tied at .3. Looks like if they miss it, we're skipping to the overtime. Overtime. I see you guys there, so you're going to see all this. We go game 4. We're gonna simcast a little bit, but not that much. Uh-oh. Oh, we're in the lead. I guess we fouled them for some reason. I think I simcast way too full. Overtime. Second overtime. I simcast at the beginning. And we are taking game 5. Six. We going to game 7. We're taking a big lead. Where do you might end here? We're jumping just to see the graduations, the finale. And thank you guys so much for watching. And see you guys next time. Peace.